how to get free tasks with Zapier. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get free tasks with Zapier. Alright, so let's begin. Zapier charges by tasks, which are actions and automations. However, there are ways to save on tasks. When third-party apps trigger and send data into Zapier, it doesn't count as a task. Also, actions within Zapier products like Zapier tables and interfaces do not count against your task limit. However, when you send data out to third-party apps, that does count as a task. Here are some examples. New record in Airtable and create a record in Zapier tables. This does not count as a task. Pipe drive to tables. Again, this is free and doesn't count as a task. Zap your tables with a button click to create a record in Airtable. This counts as one task since it sends data out. Zapier interfaces with a form that creates a record in tables and then in Airtable. The first two don't count, but the last one does. In general, anytime a Zap runs within Zapier's ecosystem, it will not count as a task. Tools like Formatter by Zapier, filters, delays, and paths do not count against your limit. However, if you add a step that creates a record in Airtable, that counts as one task each time the Zap runs. Remember, there are various plans, including a free plan, and tasks are counted the same way regardless of the plan you choose. Some tools that do count as tasks include webhooks, RSS, email parser, and SMS. Alright, go automate those tedious tasks. We'll see you soon. So that's basically how you can get free tasks with Zapier. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.